In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get CapCut Pro Premium for free. But before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if you're wondering how you can get CapCut Pro features for free, don't worry. There's actually official ways to unlock premium access without paying. And in this video, we're going over every single one of them. Just keep in mind that CapCut Pro is a subscription-based service and there's no permanent free lifetime version. And I strongly recommend avoiding any cracked versions online just because they can steal your data or even harm your device, and you definitely don't want that. So here is the legit ways to unlock those premium features. First things first, CapCut does have a referral program where you can earn free premium days. Open up CapCut on a desktop and sign in, and on this left-hand sidebar over here, you're actually going to see an option to sign in. After signing in this left-hand section, you should see an option to invite your friends. Select that, copy that unique referral link, and share it with anyone who hasn't used CapCut Desktop before. And once they do download it and sign in, both of you guys are going to get 7-day pro access. After doing this a few times, you will lose access to this, specifically 10 friends, which does equal 70 days of CapCut Pro for free. So after you do invite 10 friends, you are going to lose access to this. So just keep that in mind. Just make sure they are installing using your link specifically and they log in to complete that activation. On top of that, sometimes when you do log in, CapCut will offer free trials within that app, and you can actually go and manage this in your settings, specifically manage subscription. And if you tap try it free, select that. Just keep in mind, once again, this trial is temporary and must be renewed occasionally, and it's not available in all countries. And if you edit videos regularly, you could purchase a legitimate plan. Just because it is the most reliable long-term option, it's still cheaper than alternatives like Premiere Pro, no matter how much I would recommend that. But that is it. That is how you can unlock CapCut Pro features safely and legally. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, so we'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.